Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Welcome back, dear brothers and sisters. Alhamdulillah, continuing our lesson from Ism Tafdeel, that's the comparative and superlative degrees. Inshallah, we're going to learn more of it and we're going to do some more harf nasb, inshallah. So, as usual, what we're going to do is, before we proceed, we're going to quickly do fa'al mudari'. Inshallah, today we're going to do group A, daraba, yadribu. So what we're going to do is, we're going to do dhahaba, yadhabu, group A, which means the lam kalima, the ayn kalima in fa'al madi will have fatha, and the ayn kalima in fa'al mudari' as well, it will have fatha. Group A, dhahaba, yadhabu. So yadhabu, huwa yadhabu, huma yadhabani, hum yadhabuna, hiya tadhabu, huma tadhabani, hunna yadhabna, anta tadhabu, antuma tadhabani, antum means tadhabuna, anti tadhabina, antuma tadhabani, antunna tadhabna, ana adhabu, nahnu nadhabu. So we'll do one more fa'al. Rafa'a means he raised. So rafa'a, yarfa'u. So we're going to do 5 in your pocket. Yarfa'u, tarfa'u, arfa'u, narfa'u. And we'll do the full conjugation now. Huwa yarfa'u, huma yarfa'ani, hum yarfa'una, hiya tarfa'u, huma tarfa'ani, hunna yarfa'na, anta tarfa'u, antuma tarfa'ani, antum tarfa'una, anti tarfa'ina, antuma tarfa'ani, antunna tarfa'na, ana arfa'u, nahnu narfa'u. So you got 5 in your pocket where the fa'il is mustatir, is not attached to the verb, and we got noon aata hai, noon jata hai, where the noon stays when it's on, when something precedes, like different prepositions, then the noon will go away. And we got a mabni group where the noon is a fa'il, so it doesn't go away, it always stays. It's a mabni group. Going to our lesson on Ism Tafdeel, just remind ourselves what are the forms of Ism Tafdeel. So we have comparative and superlative. So it will be superlative if you have the noun in the pattern of af'alu followed by ism majroor, and that will be translated as a superlative. And if you have af'alu followed by min, that will be a comparative. Okay, so inshallah, so today we'll be doing lesson number 3 from Madina book 2. So again we're going to do a dialogue between Ahmad and Ali. So Ahmad says, come taliban. So we got come, so we know after come what we get is a tamiz. So what is tamiz? Tamiz is a single indefinite noun in a mansoob form. Come taliban fi faslikum. So what is fi faslikum? Fi is harf jar and faslikum is a ism majroor wa huwa mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. So combination of mudaf ilayhi. So how many students in your class? Ya aliyu. So ya is harf nida and aliyu is a munada. So Ali answers, fi faslina arba'ata ashara taliban. So we see here, we've tried to analyze this sentence. So we know fi faslina, it's coming before, so it is jar majrur shibu jumla khabar muqaddam. So where is mubtada? We don't say anything with marfu form here, it has to be marfu. So what do we see here? We see all the fatha. What is arba'ata ashra? Arba'ata means 4, ashra means 10. This is 14 students. So we're going to learn about the numbers in next class, inshallah. So for the moment, we just remember that arba'ata ashra is mabni. So this is marfu, but we don't see sign of dhamma because it is mabni. So it will always be fatha and fatha, even if it is marfu, mansub or majroor. So here this arba'ata ashara is actually a marfu, and taliban is tamiz, so which gives clarification. So in our class there are 14 students. So Ahmad asks, at-tullabu fi fasluna aktharu. So again we try to analyze this sentence again here. So at-tullabu is our mubtada, and what is khabar? So if we translate here, see, the students are more in our class. So here aktharu, so at-tullabu we have as a mubtada, and aktharu is actually khabar, and this is just giving jar majroor, more information. So the students are more in our class. So aktharu is coming as a khabar. So fihi, in it, that means referring to the class. Fihi tis'ata ashara taliban. So again the same thing here. So fihi is jar majrur, shibu jumla khabar muqaddam. So where is the mubtada? Is tis'ata ashara, so which is actually a mabni form, and it is marfu, and we got taliban as tamiz, ya Ali. So Ahmad is telling, we in our class there are more students in our tis'ata ashara. What is tis'ata ashara? Is 18. So he's got 14 and Ahmad has got 18 students, ya Ali. Masma talibul jadidu allazi jaa ams. So he's asking again question. Ma is harf istifham again, and ism, so this is a hamzatul wasl, so we're gonna miss. So masmut talibi, what's the name of the student? Al jadidi, so it's a not. So what's the name of new student? Again alladhi ismu mawsula, and we're looking for silatul mawsul. So jaa amsi is a jumlatul fa'liya, who came yesterday. Ams means yesterday, jaa means who came yesterday. So what is the name of the student? The one who came yesterday. So everything describing the talib. And Ali replies, ismuhu usamatu, and his name is Usama. Ahmad says, huwa tawil jiddan, he is very tall. So huwa tawilun, huwa is mubtada, tawilun is khabar, jiddan is a noun, mansoob noun, and it is a maf'ulun mutlaq, which we'll study later inshallah. So just to know, jiddan means very. He is very tall. Alaysa kazalik. So we're going to analyze this. Alaysa kazalik. So what is alaysa kazalik? We know it's a harfu istifham. Okay. And laysa is fa'al naqisun jamidun. And ka here means it is harf jar, which means like. So here he's asking, laysa means he is not. So if you put a, means is he not. So the question is he not like, and dhalika is that. Is a harf jar here. Ism majroor. Ka is harf jar and dhalika is ism majroor. So jar majroor. Is he not? Is it not like that? So he's asking. He's tawil jiddan. And whenever you have a sentence like this here, where the question involves is he not, then if the answer is in affirmation, then what we use bala. So we know when in a jumlatul ismiya, if this a comes, then you use naam or la. But if it is laysa, alaysa kadhalik, then we have to affirmation, we use bala. So here Ali is replying bala, which means yes. Huwa tawilu jiddan, yes, he is very tall. Walakinna, so here we're coming to lakinna. So what is lakinna? Means it is min akhwatu inna. So we know there are 5 sisters of inna. So inna, anna, ka'anna, layta, lakinna, la'alla. So lakinna means So what is lakinna means? But. So he's telling Bala, yes, he is very tall, but. So because it is from min akhwatu inna, so we know inna has ism and khabar. So lakinna also has ism and khabar, and ismu lakinna will be mansoob, and here we got hamidan. Walakinna hamidan is ismu lakinna mansoob, and we have khabar lakinna which will be marfu, which here is atwalu. So lakinna, but Hamid is taller. So now because it is comparative, because after atwalu we got min, so it is comparative. Atwalu minhu is taller than him. So just give some examples of lakinna. So if you say Bilalun mujtahidun, Bilal is hardworking. Walakinna, see lakinna has come. Now we see the change. Here it is becomes mansoob. Hamidan, it's not Hamidun. It says walakinna Hamidan kaslanu is lazy. Well, but Hamid is lazy. Akhi, again his combination of mudaf mudaf ilayh. My brother mutazawwijun means he is married. Mutazawwijun. Walakinni, so here we got damir muttasil, which is mansoob attached to lakinna. So all the 14 pronouns can be attached to harf nasb, any of the harf nasb. So lakinna will be lakinnak, hu, lakinnahuma, lakinnahum, lakinnaha, lakinnahuma, lakinnahunna. So anta will be ka, lakinnaka, lakinnakuma, lakinnakunna, lakinnaki, lakinnakuma, lakinnakunna, lakinni, lakinna. So here lakinni means but I'm azabun. Azabun means single. Sayyarati, my car. Qadimatun is old. My car is old. Walakinnaha, but it is referring to sayyaratu. Lakinnaha qawiyatun, but it is strong. So this is how lakinna changes a noun into a mansoob, and we have khabar which is marfu. Remember. So going to a discussion here. So he's asking, is he not the tallest one? So he says, Ali replies, Bala, yes, he is very tall. Walakin Hamidun atwalu minhu. Innahu atwalu talibin. So we are getting more both comparative and superlative here. Beautifully explained. So inna. So again inna is coming to his harf nasb wa taqin. So who is ismu inna mansoob, and we got atwalu, which is ismu tafdil coming as a khabar, and we got a majroor noun like mudaf ilayhi, innahu, and indeed he is the tallest student. So here we will translate as tallest student. Fi faslina, in our class. Waman atwal talibin, and who is the tallest student? See, fi faslikum, in your class. So he's asking, Ali is asking Ahmed. Ahmed says, Atwal talibin, say Atwal talib, the tallest student, fi faslina, in our class is Ibrahimu. Ibrahimu is diptote. Okay. Aliyu, adaftaruka hada ya Ahmadu, is this your notebook? Daftaruka hada. See here, we need to know what is this hada coming as. This hada is actually coming as a badal for daftaru. See, adaftaruka hada. Is this your notebook? Ya Ahmad. So and it says inna, again harf tawqid wa nasbin. See, khattaka, your handwriting. Khattaka, see, mansoob, wa huwa mudaf, and ka is mudaf ilayhi. Okay, inna khattaka jamilun. So now we know is khabar inna is marfu, so it is jamilun, and this jiddan is mafulun mutlaq. And indeed your handwriting is very beautiful, mashallah. So Ahmad says shukran, again this is mafulun mutlaq, shukran ya Ali. He says khatti is my handwriting is beautiful, jamilun. Wa khattuka, and your writing. Khattu mudaf and ka mudaf ilahi. Your writing is ajmalu. Actually, is most beautiful. So here we got normal and superlative forms here. Jamilun, ajmalu. Ali, man hadal fata. So you say, who is this boy or young boy? You can say, man hadal fata. Hada followed by al is badal, and again allazi is coming as a naat which describes the fata. So then allazi is ismu mawsula. Then what you're looking as silatul mawsul. So ma'aka is zarf mudaf ilayhi is coming as muda silatul mawsul. Who is this young boy? The one who is with you, Ahmad. Man hadal fata alladhi ma'aka ya Ahmad. Ka'annahu. So again one more harf nasb here. Ka'anna. So what is ka'anna? Ka'anna is again from min akhwatu inna. What does it mean? It means it looks as if. This is how we translate. It's a long translation, but that's what it means. It means it looks as if. So again ka'anna will have ismu ka'anna, which will be mansoob because it is min akhwatu inna, and it will have khabar ka'anna, which will be marfu. So let's give some example of ka'anna. We say ka'annal imama. See, ka'annal imama, because it is min akhwatu inna. So ismu inna will be mansoob, it will be fatha. So it looks as if imam, the imam is maridun, is sick. Ka'annal imama maridun. Man hadihil fata. Who is this fatatu? Means young lady. Man hadihil fatatu. Hadihi followed by al badal. Man hadihil fatatu. Ka'annaha. So same thing here. You can attach damir muttasil, and that will be a mansoob form. Ka'annaha. It looks as if she is ukhtuka, your sister. Ka'anna hadihi sayyarata. See, again beautiful example here. Ka'anna is min akhwatu inna. Hadihi is ismu ka'anna mansoob. So even though it is hadihi, it is mansoob, and as-sayyarata is badal. Because this is mansoob, so badal will follow the same i'rab as mubdal minhu. So that's why it is sayyarata. It's not sayyarati, it's sayyarata. Ka'anna hadihi sayyarata lahu, belongs to you. It looks as if this car belongs to you. Ka'annaka. So again this is dami muttasil is mansoob. Ka'annaka. It looks as if you minal Hind, you are from India. This is how this ka'anna is used. So coming to our sentence, man hadal fata alladhi ma'aka ya Ahmad. Ka'annahu akhuka. So who is ismu mansoob, and akhu is khabar ka'anna. If you see, akhu is min asma'ul khamsa, that's why the sign of marfu is al-wa'u, and wa huwa mudaf, and ka is mudaf ilayhi. It looks as if he is your brother. And he says, Ahmad says, Na'am, huwa akhi ash-shaqiqu. See, again, good example of understanding badal here. He is my brother. Akhu plus ya mutakallim is mudaf ilayhi. Ash-shaqiqu is name which is badal for akhi. Ash-shaqiqu. Ali, akbaru minka. So again we've done this concept here, a and So there are two things here, akbaru and asgharu, bigger or smaller. Is he asking, or akbaru minka, huwa, is he bigger than you, asgharu, or smaller? He say, Ahmad, he says, huwa asgharu minni, he is smaller than me, because asgharu followed by min is a comparative. Say, he is smaller than me. Ali, fi ayyi mahja'in anta. Mahja'in means like a hostel, or dormitory where you stay in university. So fi harf jar, ayyu, we know fi ayyi is a special mudaf, so always comes as a mudaf and which means which, and this is mudaf ilayhi. So fi ayyi, if there is no fi, it will be ayyu. Because of fi, it becomes ism majroor, and again wahuwa mudaf, and mahja'in is mudaf ilayhi. So in which hostel anta ya akhi, are you my brother? Someone says ana fil mahja'il khamisa. See, I am in fifth hostel, hostel number 5, you can say, translate it as. So wahuwa, and it is ba'idu jiddan. See, ba'idu jiddan is very far. Or we have learned that ba'id always comes with an, so we need to say far from what. So he says it is very far from jamia, from university. So Ali says ana, but you know what, ana fil mahja is thamina. Thamina means comes from thamaniya, is 8. I am in 8th dormitory, or the 8th hostel. Where, and wahuwa abadu. See, ba'idun, and ismu tafdil, how do you make? Abadu, and it is, and followed by min is comparative. So it is further from mahjaikum. Min mahjaikum is from your hostel. So Ahmad is asking ayyuhuma. See here, ayyu has come because it's coming as a mubtada, so it will have damma. So here it is coming as majroor, it is kasra. So which of those is ahsanu, is the best? This is which of those is best. So Ali says al mahja'il khamisa, the 5th hostel is ahsanu, is the best. Fa inna, see, fa is ataf here, and again we got inna, so harf nasb harf tawqid wa nasbin. So we're looking at ghurfa, ghurafahu. Ghuraf means it is a plural for ghurfatun, and the plural is ghurafun, and mansoob will be ghurafan, and because it is becoming mudaf, we have single fatha, ghurafa, and hu mudaf ilayhi, and its rooms awsa'u. So where does this awsa'u come from? It's from wasi'un. Wasi'un means very spacious. So awsa'u is the biggest, the spacious. The rooms of it are very spacious. Wa nawafidahu, and its nawafid is plural for windows. Nafidatun, nawafidatun. So nawafidahu akbaru, or big. Wa marahidahu anzafu. Marahid, mirhad is toilets, and the toilets are clean. Was sururu, and it's plural for sarirun, bed, and the beds allati fihi, those that are in it, or ajmalu, or beautiful, the most beautiful. So this is how we use superlatives, and we've learned about inna and min akhwatu inna. We learned 2 more today, which is ka'anna and lakinna. So inshallah in next lesson we're going to do about numbers. So we're going to see how the numbers are constructed from 11 to 19 and what are the rules, and it is quite interesting, inshallah. So try and practice and write the lesson, and inshallah we will continue our next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.